I finally picked up my first Smith & Wesson, and I gotta say, I hate the fact that they give you a box, man. Come on, Smith, give us a hard case, even a soft case like you did with your tools and your cleaning stuff here. How are you gonna give us a soft case for the cleaning stuff and not the gun?
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Let's go in here. You got your two magazines in here. You got a 15 and a 10-round magazine. You have a locking cable. You got the gun, which has a 13-round mag installed in it already. And then you got your cleaning stuff and your tools in this. I'm gonna show you what's in here. The box itself for the gun was trash, but I got to give it to Smith on this one. This is a nice soft case here for the cleaning utensils and tools and whatnot. It has their logo right up there, which is pretty cool actually. And once we get this open, I'm big on presentation, man, but this is nice. I can't even lie, this is nicely put together. I like the way they did this, how they included you know, all this stuff in this soft case. So anyway, in the box you got your cleaning stuff, you got the gun, 15-round mag, 10-round mag, and then the gun should have a 13-round mag as well. So here's the gun with the 13-rounder installed. Love the fact that they give you 3 magazines, and I love the fact that they give you different capacity magazines even more. So you're not stuck with, you know, 3 10-rounders or 3 12s or 3 15s. You can adjust the grip length by swapping out from all 3 of these, and I really love that. If you want to go, you know, ultra conceal, you can drop the 10 in there and that conceals very well. If you want something with more capacity, you can drop the 15, and that is also a great option. I like the fact that this comes straight down, where it's not kind of like the Canik MC9 where it has that little dip in there. I think they do that just so it conceals better, but honestly I've never noticed a difference. But yeah, you get a much better grip with this, having it go all the way down and flush like this one. So I really do like that. Big things about this gun that I really enjoyed, aside from the fact of the 3 different size or capacity magazines. Love the serrations on this. You got the front, rear, and top serrations, and I love how aggressive they are, and just how they look are really nice to me. Obviously I bought the carry comp, so I love the fact that it's comped. Love the fact that the barrel length is complete, in the sense that it goes all the way through the slide, not like the X Macro where it stops, you know, almost to the end, like you know, an inch or whatever from the slide, and then it just cuts off. This is a true comp in my opinion. The top is comped, and then it's got ports on the sides. It looks really nice. The grip texturing on this is really nice. The frame itself is like slightly textured. It's not really slick like the rest of the polymer frame guns. The trigger in this is an upgraded trigger, I think, and it looks really nice. I used to hate Smith & Wesson, not because of how they shot or anything like that, but I never, I guess, went out to buy one just because I thought they were really ugly. And yeah, you could say what you want, but man, I like nice pretty guns, so that's my taste, you know, that's just me. But I fell for this one. I really liked it. I like the changes they made to it. I like all the stuff they did, and to me it looks really nice. Another huge win for me is the fact that they put some night vision sights on here, so you have a blacked out rear sight and a really nice illuminated front sight. The fact that it's behind the comp is super nice. You don't have those gases going in front of it, so that's really nice and thoughtful of Smith to do. All those aesthetics are the reason why I ended up pulling trigger and buying this gun. This cost me about $600, and so far I'm enjoying it. I just actually got back from the range, so I want to let you guys know how that went. But just a quick review on just the gun itself, other than everything I stated. I like the fact that they put aggressive texturing right here on the mag release. They also got some texturing on the back plate right here, and everything about this gun is just, man, it's nice. Never, like I said, I never owned a Shield Plus before, never owned a Smith & Wesson, so it's hard for me to compare this against what they have had in the past, but I do like this a lot so far. How does it shoot, man? It shoots really flat, but I can't say if it's that much better than the non-comp version, again, just because I haven't shot it. But for the size and for what it is, it does shoot really flat. It does shoot flatter than my 43X, and it does shoot flatter than my Canik MC9. I would kind of compare this to maybe my Glock 26 in terms of how flat it shoots, maybe a tiny bit flatter than the Glock 26. And those are just my kind of initial thoughts on it. I didn't get a chance to bring my 26 to the range when I shot this to compare, but I did bring out the 43X and the MC9 just because those are also micro carries that I have in my rotation. I'm thinking about putting this in my rotation. But yeah, man, I really love the fact that they give you 3 mags, different capacities for each one. Love the night sights they give you on there. I love the serration, love the comp, all the options and stuff that they give you is really, really nice. This gun was just a big hit, man, for me, and I really liked it. I got the last one at the stores, but there is a big downfall for me, and it's, man, I hate to say it's so close to being a deal breaker, and that is the reset on this gun. I did notice it in the store, but I didn't think it was a big deal. And man, I don't know. I don't want to say I regret buying it, but I just got to get used to it, I guess. And I don't know if it's just this specific gun I got, or you know, if y'all got one, let me know, or if it's a Smith & Wesson thing, I don't know. But I do want to show y'all what I'm talking about here. So when you rack the slide, and this will give me a chance to show you guys the trigger too on this, but I'm going to show you guys here. So if you see here, it's got a nice clean wall right there, a crisp break, that's really nice. But this reset is what I'm talking about. It's got like a fake reset and then the reset itself. So listen up. That I thought was a reset, but that's the reset. I'm gonna show you guys again and see if you catch that. So fake reset, real reset. Now what happened to me when I was at the range that I was like, oh yeah, this is a big no-no, is when I was shooting, I don't know how y'all shoot, but when I shoot, I don't go all the way back. I don't reset all the way off the trigger and go like this. I shoot and then I let off just enough to where the reset is, and then I come back in. So I'm just shooting like this, right? But I got fooled by that fake reset twice. So what happened was, I'm shooting, pull the trigger, I shoot, right? And then when I'm gonna take my follow-up shot or my second shot, I'm letting it go, and I thought that was a reset, right? So I got it right there. I felt it because it literally pushes your finger forward, and you pull, and nothing happens. Again, right there, I thought that was a reset, and it wouldn't shoot, right? So you'd go fake reset, real reset, and then it shoots. That to me, man, I don't know what that is, but I hate it. And even though my shooting experience with this was real nice, very flat shooting, that threw me off, and I almost just wanted to get rid of this already. But I'm gonna give it a chance just because I've had so many of y'all suggest this to me and recommend it, and I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna try to get used to it and see how it goes. Maybe that's something that goes away. I don't know. Y'all tell me. But other than that, this gun has been great. It's been phenomenal. I haven't had no issues with it. I put about 150 down the range the first time, and everything was good, other than the fact that I got fooled by that fake reset. Other than that, it's been really nice. Again, it shoots real flat. I'm not sure what to compare it to, but like I said, it's very comparable to my 26, maybe my 19. It shoots very similar to those. But the fact that it's a slimmy, you know, and you can put different size mags on there and keep that slimness, I love that. That's the issue I had with my 26. I love it, but I hate how thick it is, man, that you can't, no matter what magazine you put through it, because that's the biggest sell on that, right, is you can put so many different size mags, but you can't ever make it thinner. And this one, you know, was so thin that you can conceal it better no matter what size mag you put in here. So those are my initial thoughts on this. I hope you guys found this review to be useful. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys own one or if you guys are out to get one. I do recommend it. Other than that, like I said, my only negative is that fake reset, but other than that, love this thing. I got to get used to it. I'm gonna keep shooting with it because I really am very accurate with it. I would say I'm just as accurate with this as I am with my Canic, and that's saying a lot, because man, I be smacking with that Canic, so that is saying a lot. So I'm gonna keep shooting this and see if I get used to it, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you already haven't. But if you have, you know I appreciate you guys. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video.